going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort, and China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world really works. Much love to those who purchased the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. And then much love to those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon. Much love. Keep it coming. And don't forget, I put the New World Order cryptos in the Patreon. Do not miss it. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores. And we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. We have JPMORGAN says fair price of Bitcoin is $35,000. And guys, as we know, when the Fed starts shrinking this balance sheet, Bitcoin is going to start shrinking again. And then also we have Ethereum hitting all-time highs, but guess what? CME is launching micro Ethereum futures. That's right, guys. December 6th, the casino just keeps getting bigger. Now, guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have volume. We have Tether, and we have USDC. We have the Fed, of course, manipulating yields, and we have the Fed meeting today. So it's going to be so important because they're going to let us know how they're going to be tapering. And you guys know I'm going to bring you a video on that. And then also, guys, the Grayscale whale, they went up $1 billion, 56.3. Make sure you're paying attention to them. We have Solana at an all-time high. Battling Cardano for that 5th spot. And then also we have Cardano prepares for a Hydra upgrade. And then we also had Polkadot move up about 25% over the last 7 days. Now let's get over into a little crypto news, guys. We have gaming. We know Microsoft has been funding crypto from the beginning. But Microsoft joins the Metaverse. And I've said time and time again, that's how they're going to get the millennials and Generation Z to go inside the virtual world through gaming. And then we have the Miami mayor plans to accept his next paycheck entirely in Bitcoin. Adoption. And we have Goldman Sachs is partnering with blockchain startup Digital Asset. And guys, I've said it time and time again. The big banks, the big corporations are funding crypto, and they've been doing it from the beginning. Now we have the New York Stock Exchange ARCA files with the SEC to list Bitwise Bitcoin ETP Trust. Now we have the SCB acquires 51% stake in crypto exchange BitCub for $537 million. We have Celsius acquires high security custodian GK8 for $115 million. And guys, we're starting to see this plan come together. That's the reason why I put in the Patreon the New World Order cryptos, because we're starting to see the pieces of the puzzle go in perfectly. And then lastly, and this is the finishing touches, we have over 140 million people have a digital Yuan wallet, guys. It's only 350 million people in the United States. They've had over $9.7 billion worth of transactions, guys. The digital Yuan is going to rise. America, the Babylon, is going to fall. America is going to go through so much pain, it's going to be unbelievable. But we know that when it comes to crypto, it's going to make it seamless for the people to go to. And we know the New World Order does what? Problem, reaction, solution. The people are going to beg for the devil's solution. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel. Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Cobalt, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, got that own stocks to see where the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York. From COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.